dress. I sit silently next to you, think I got something to confess. I'm not good at small talk, and I'm not sure if I wanna be, 'cause life's too short to make fake friends, at least for me. Yeah. All the etiquette is holding us back. All the etiquette, all the etiquette, all the etiquette is holding us back. This don't make me good impression, I just can't understand. All the etiquette is holding us back. All the etiquette, all the etiquette, all the etiquette is holding us back from knowing what should be done and saying what should be said. Once upon a time I would have tried to act interested, but I think lately I've grown out of that, 'cause I've discovered it's so much more fun to be myself. And I'm sorry you're not the pleasant company you'd like to be when you don't have anything important to say. All the etiquette is holding us back. All the etiquette, all the etiquette, all the etiquette is holding us back. This can make a good impression, I just can't understand. All the etiquette is holding us back. All the etiquette, all the etiquette, all the etiquette is holding us back from knowing what should be done and saying what should be said. What should be said, what should be said, what should be said. So I'm dancing on the table, and you can watch me if you like, to make sure at least one of us is having a good time. So I'm dancing on the table, and you can join me if you like, making sure at least two of us are having a good time. So we're dancing on the table, and you all can watch us